Hi guys, welcome to Divinedine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare bread uttapam. So let's begin. The ingredients you need are half bowl semolina, 1 chopped carrot, half chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 bowl curd, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 2 chopped green chilies. Now take 10 bread slices and crumble them and put into the grinder. Into that grinder, add 1 bowl curd, half bowl semolina or rava or suji. Mix them. Gradually add water to make a paste. Now pour the paste in a bowl. Then add water as required to make this consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix them really well. Now take another bowl to make the toppings and add all the vegetables. You can add other vegetables if you want. And then add some chopped coriander leaves, some chopped curry leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix them well. Now take a pan, add a little bit oil and spread it with a tissue. After a while, sprinkle a little bit water and remove the excess water. Now pour the batter and spread it in circular motion. Now add the toppings. And press them gently. Cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the cover, flip it over. Add some oil and again cover the pan for another 5 minutes. And our quick and delicious bread uttapam is ready. Serve it on a plate. You can have it with chutney or tomato sauce. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.